Tutorial: make paper dolls using available materials. Packages. Double-sided adhesive tape. Glued eyes open and closed. Cut paper to create rails. Glued eyes open and closed. Put in the eye patch. Hole punch. Glue both sides together, and then punch holes. Pierce the soft steel wire into the hole. Bend steel to create joints or parts. Bend steel to create joints for parts. Paste the other side. Attach the head to the body. Discard the remaining parts. Remember to put the eyelid paper in to make the eyes open and close. So it's done. Good luck!